Hello everyone. In this video, we can talk about the Python functions. We all know that function is a subprogram which consists of a set of instructions which are used to perform a specific task. A large program can be divided into basic building blocks called function. And why we need functions is when the program is too complex and large, they can be divided into subparts, and each part can be separately coded and combined into a single program, and each part is called as a function. When the program is divided into subprograms, debugging, testing and maintenance become easy for the programmer. And functions are used to avoid rewriting the same code again and again, and this also provides code reusability. While designing the programs by using functions, we can also reduce the program length. Types of functions. Python functions can be classified into two. Number one, built-in function, and number two, user-defined function. Built-in functions are the functions that are already created and stored in Python. We can use it according to our need, and the meaning and the code cannot be modified by the developer. Here I have provided the Python built-in functions. Some of them are absolute and binary of, float of, format of, int of, input of, and next is len of, list of, max of, min of, power of, print of, range of, round of, slice of, sorted of, sum of, and type of. And here I have provided small programs using built-in functions. In the first example, I have computed the square root number of a function of a number using the built-in function sqrtof. And in the second program, I have calculated the number of characters in a string by using the len of function. And in the third program, I have computed the max of function in a list of numbers. While talking about user-defined function, user-defined functions are the functions a programmer can create for their own requirement. A programmer can design or write code according to his or her requirement. These functions are called user-defined functions. Advantages of user-defined functions. A programmer can design his own code, and these codes can be executed when it is needed. So next, while talking about defining new function, def keyword is used to define a function, and the name of the function should be mentioned, and the function definition should be end with the colon operator, and inside the function the program statements should be stated. The function can be ended with or without a return statement. This is the syntax for creating user-defined function. Define, function name, parameter list, statement list, and return statement. In the example, I have created an user-defined function named add_of, and the parameters are a and b, and I have added a and b, and the value is returned by using return statement. This is the function call. Once we have defined a function, we can call it by mentioning the name of the function and by passing the arguments. In the function definition, we define the formal parameters, and in the function call we define the actual parameters. Right, I have given an example. So in this example I have explained the flow of execution. Remember that the flow of execution is not always in the order, right? 1 2 3, this is not the order, and the flow of order is given in the order 1 2 5 6 7 2 3 4 7 8. This is because the function is called in the line number, right, in the line number 7. So the first line will be executed first and the second line will be second, and it goes to the next. So 5 6 7 2 3 4 7 8. This is the flow of execution, right? And the next difference is fruitful function and void function. A function which returns a value is called fruitful function, and a function which doesn't return any value are called as void function. A fruitful function must contain the statement return, and a void function does not contain any return statement in the function. Hope you all understood what is function and how they are defined in the Python, and what's the difference between fruitful function and void function. Thank you.